So I've had a couple of successes today, as well as getting the carburetor back on, getting it tuned up. I repaired the blinker switch. I'll show you the video on that in a moment. And now I've got this grounded because it needs to be grounded for this light to work. Turn the blinker on. We've got a blinker flashing here. If you look out there, you can see a blinker flashing out there, and that's consistent. That's what we needed. We needed a new flusher can to rectify it because the other one was fried. But success. I'd like to try and explain to you how I fixed the blinker switch concern. As you can see here, I'll just zoom in a little bit so you can see a bit better. The mounting tag, well, the contact, this side contact is slightly bent outwards. So what I needed to do was I used this pick and this pick so I could put load on this side on the tag, and in turn use this seal pick, put load on this side so I could square that angle up better. And once I did that, that stopped that tag there from falling out. So when you purchase a blinker switch, just check that that contact there is square in that slide, and the one on this side is square in that slide. That was the problem that we had. Now I've repaired this one. This is functioning correctly, so I'm probably going to leave this in the car and put it on the steering column. It's working fine. Just be wary of those contacts. That's what we needed.